Video footage and clips. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about video footage and clips. Let's start with footage first. Footage is the raw content. In other words, it is source. As it had been originally filmed by movie cameras or recorded by a video camera, which usually must be edited to create a motion picture, video clip, television show, or similar completed work. More loosely, footage can also refer to all sequences used in film and video editing, such as special effects and archive material. Since the term originates in film, footage is only used for recorded images, such as film stock, videotapes, or digitized clips. This would be on live television, and the signals from the cameras are called sources instead. The origin of the term footage is from the early 35mm films, made during the silent film era. The silent film has traditionally been measured in feet and frames. The fact that film was measured by length in cutting rooms, and that there are 16 frames in a foot of 35mm film, was roughly represented of 1 second of silent film. This footage is a natural unit of measure for film. The term then became used figuratively to describe moving images and material in that format of any kind. Video clips are short clips of video, usually part of a longer piece. The term is also more loosely used to mean any short video less than the length of a traditional television program. With the spread of Internet global accessing, video clips have become very popular online. By mid-2006, with the spread of broadband Internet access, video clips have become very popular online. The widespread popularity of video clips, with the aid of new distribution channels, has evolved into clip culture. It is compared to lean-back experience of seeing traditional movies. It refers to an Internet activity of sharing and viewing a short video, mostly less than 15 minutes. The culture began as early as the development of the broadband network, but it saw a boom since 2005 when websites for uploading clips emerged on the market, including Shocking Humor, YouTube, Google Video, MSN Video, and Yahoo Video. Sources for video clips include news, movies, music video, and amateur video shots. In addition to the clip recorded by high-quality camcorders, it is becoming common to produce clips with digital camera, webcam, and mobile phones. Online video advertising is emerging as a powerful platform to deliver an impactful, interactive, and highly targeted message. With online entertainment powerhouses such as Hulu, YouTube, and major TV network sites, ABC, NBC, and CBS, delivering high-quality content free of charge. Online video entertainment is rising in popularity amongst all consumer segments. In late 2005 to early 2006, a new form of blogging emerged called a vlog. A video blog, which sometimes is shortened to vlog, is a blog that comprises video. It is a blog that takes the video as the primary content, often accompanied by supporting text, image, and additional metadata to provide context. Once again, footages are raw videos, mainly used in film industries, whereas clips are mainly used when you make movies or videos using the computer or internet.